welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I am having a makeup collection video. Gonna show you how I've changed the beauty room around.
Alrighty, so it's a bit different than when you were in here last. I'll just quickly show this off before I show off my makeup collection. Just done a video there. It's my computer and then stuff down here.
Alrighty, so here I've got like all my makeup brushes, all my eye brushes, then my main brushes I use because I've got a million brushes over here as well. So my main brushes, all of my setting sprays I have here, some hand sanitizer, some body cream to keep myself refreshed, some hair stuff, some lipstick because I did a make your own lipstick, so I've got it in here so I can press it into something. It'll be a nice DIY. My beauty sponge, a brush cleaner, and then we'll move on to the drawers. So that was just kind of the top. Now we'll go for drawer number 1. So this is pretty much all of my brow products. So I have my brow brush in there, my XO Beauty one, got my Revitalization there. This is an Estee Lauder, what do you call it? Eyeshadow. Oh my god. Eyeshadow moment. And it's pretty much like perfect for my brows, perfect color scheme. I've got my brow powders, some tools to clean myself, not to clean myself, to like clean my brows. And then in this one I've got all my lip liners. I'm not a huge lip liner, so like stick lipsticks or anything with a pen I've got sitting in here. And then a lip balm. I actually found this really crap, this lip balm. It actually dried out my lips. It's the XO Beauty one. Really don't like it. No tea, no shade. And then in this one I have some glitter glue and then some glitters. So I have some glitter injections, glitters in here, and some stickers and tattoos in there. And then I have the next drawer. So these are all eyeliners that I have in here, and then I've got some really beautiful waterproof colored eyeliners. I've got a bunch of like ColourPop eyeliners which are amazing, and that's all of like the stick ones. And then I've got a few liquids in there. I've got like a really pretty liquid matte ones there. And then these are all my mascaras. So my tried and true, my Roller Lash, and then I've got my Bad Gal Bang mascara, and then some liquid eyeliners in there, and like my main eyeliner that I use, which is an Avon one, which I really like. And yeah, that's that one. And then last drawer I have is this one here, and this is full of all my masks. Thanks, Janine. So it's all of my masks, a lip scrub, pretty much anything skincare or face care. This is a headband, and then these are all my like sample face things. These are all of my little skincare ones that are all chilling in here. Yeah, there's a whole bunch. I've got some like brushes to put on them with. So this is my like makeup mask drawer. Then I have all of my Jeffree Star boxes. So these are my quality set, the nudes and the Love Me Not one. I've got a hair tie there, just chuck that there. I've got my Spare Skin Frost that I haven't found a place to put them. A cute little box I got for my birthday, my mirror that I can do my face with. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the middle. What I do have down here is just a drawer that's full of like hair products, that kind of thing. It's not really that important. This is just kind of like face halos, things like that in there. And then we have this one, which is all of my spare brushes I've got here. So this is all of my spare brushes. And then I've got more spare brushes, like all these different ones here. They were just kind of cleaned and sitting there waiting, so I know all of those are clean if I have to do someone's makeup. They're the clean ones there. So let's start with this drawer here. It's kind of weird stuff. So I've got some like eyeliner stamps, which should really be in the eyeliner bit, but that's okay. Some eyelash glue. I've got one of those Style Pro brush cleaner sets. I've got a few samples, like this is Take the Day Off, which I really want to use. I've got a highlighter stick, a fake lipstick container thing, the Metallics Eyes by Australis, which I really love, some brow pomade. There's a whole bunch of kind of like loose eyeshadows, things like that sitting in here. And then, oh my god, this is a really pretty eyeshadow. Look how pretty that is. It's such a pretty, it's like a Smashbox one. It's so pretty. Anyway, so just pretty much stuff like that. And then I've got actual pure glitter in here. Yeah, and then just weird little single eyeshadows in here. And then the next drawer I have, these are all of my face ones. So these are all concealers. I've got my Tarte, which is my tried and true. You can tell I'm like really getting down to the skint. My Age Rewind, and then a few others. I really hated these Boing ones. If you haven't seen my review, utter shit. Hated it, but I don't want to throw it away. Then I've got my face bases, so my my MAC, my Infallible, which is my fave, some stick foundation, some primer, which was shit, good primer, some makeup drops, that kind of thing. So that's that drawer. So I don't have like a huge collection, but it gets me by. And then this is all of my powders. So you can see I like MAC a lot. So I've got a highlighter. This is a highlighter I made, I think. Oh no, this is just a powder. Some Tarte powder, some BYS blush trios, and a highlighting trio down there. My face powder, blush. Oh, there's a foundation in there. That should be in this one. Bare Minerals, Laura Mercier. This is fake like AliExpress powder. And like some blushes, that kind of thing. So it's an organized mess. So this is my current setup makeup. So here I have my highlighters. So I am adding this bit into the video because I actually changed it since I filmed the video. So here are all my highlighters here, my limited editions, my Uranus, Eclipse. I have the shade Nefri. I have the shade Siberian Gold. Well, I've got all the shades. So I've got all of the highlighters in here. And then all my other highlighters are over here in a big pile with all my brushes and all of my setting sprays, which are along here. And then down here is where we can see all of the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick. So I have done a video on this, so I won't go in depth and show you all of them. But it's every single color you could ever picture and ever imagine in the Jeffree Star lineup. So down here are all the minis, the Equalities, the Valentine's Day collection, the Nude collection. They're all there. And then down here I've got all of my nail polishes because I like to do my own nails now. I use a dip system and then use them. And then I've got some more Jeffree Stars here and my unicorn holder, which is just so ridiculously cute. I love it. And then I have some palettes here. I've got a Morphe Glamour palette sitting in here, my packaging back there. Got my two teddies here, which I love, a container I got for my birthday. I have the Carly Babel palette, another Glamour palette, a fake Laura Lee palette, Kat Von D palette, a lip palette, and then I have some more Glamour palettes in here. So if you guys want reviews on any of these, then let me know. In here is a whole bunch of stuff I got for PR from... No, just kidding. That's not it. These are just spare ones I've put in the Z palette. But this one's from Glitter Injections, this specific Z palette. But in this palette here is all of my glitters from Glitter Injections sitting in there. So they are very messy. So I've got them sitting in there. That one was from Wish, that palette, I think. These containers here are actually Tupperware, like soup mix containers. Because I love my Tupperware. But it fits all my palettes perfectly. So I've got, these are my Colourpop palettes here. So the Cute AF palette. Then I've got the You Had Me at Hello palette. I've got my Shadow Me palette sitting in here. And I've also got the Zodiac palette sitting here. Oh, so that's a Colourpop one too. So the three Colourpops and the Shadow Me. I've got both my Shan XO palettes there. And then a Balm palette. My Jeffree Star highlighter palettes. The Thirsty palette. And the Blood Sugar palette in the back there. And then in this one I've got my Visart palette that I got in the Beautylish box. My Tarte, it's a really beautiful palette. My Tarte palette that smells like ice cream. My fake Makeup Geek Mini MUA palette that I got off Wish. My Colourpop, what do you call it? Ones I use all the time and I've hit pan on. So my blush and my bronzer. Contour kit, Trading Mecca contour kit. A Glamour Sunbeam eyeshadow palette, a Glamour Passionberry palette, Glamour Unicorn glitter palette, and then the Mermaid glitter palette, so all the glitter palettes there. I have glitter for days. Then we've got another Glamour glitter palette, this Glamour glitter palette, it's the rainbow, and then the luminous glitter palette, which the packaging is amazing. So is this packaging too. Then I've got the Glamour Gold Sunset eyeshadow palette. I have the Chi Chi Illuminating Celestial Glow palette. I have the Glitz Glam eyeshadow palette by Glamour, and then I've got the Jeffree Star Beauty Killer and Androgyny palette that
glitter one I showed you before. And then the Chi Chi Diva eyeshadow palette, a mirror that says bitch please, and it lights up. It's really cool. I don't think it lights up anymore because of the years I've had it. And then I've got all of my lipsticks up this way. Well, my other lipsticks. So I've got all my Jeffree lip ammos here. So I've got all the different shades. There's nudes, there's pinks, there's all sorts. I have done a video on these. And then I've got all the ones along here. And then I've got all of my Kiss Me lipsticks. So there's the Christmas collection here. I've got them kind of mixed up, but then I kind of don't. I've got glosses, all of them here. If you do want to sign up to Kiss Me, it's a lipstick subscription, 3 lipsticks a month. Use code Cerise1307 and you'll get yourself a free lipstick. That's just a shameless plug there. But oh yeah, and then I've got my Jouer lip topper, my Sugar Pill lipstick. And then up here, I've got all of my Kylies up here. So my Kylies, my Ciate glitter flips. I've got some Colourpop in here, my Makeup Monster liquid lipsticks. I've got my Too Faced toppers in there. Lime Crime. I've got a Wet n Wild, some XO Beauty in here. An LA Girl. These are all of my NYX lipsticks that I have. I've got some butter glosses, some normal glosses. These are all soft matte lip creams or actual lipsticks. So I got these, they're like a little bit dusty. I got these for Christmas in a calendar. So I really want to do that calendar again because I really liked it. Like some of these are so pretty. And I don't get a chance to wear all of them because there's only like so many lips. Like there's literally a lipstick here for every day of life. In here I have all my MAC lipsticks. So I've got some, my Ratitude, my Miley Cyrus one, as you can see. My Ratitude, that one. And then I've used a lot of Back to MAC. This is a lipstick that I made with my mum. I really like that, so I called it Cerise. And it's like so pretty. It was when I had pink hair. I was like, just make me a color the same color as my hair. So I made that with my mum for Mother's Day. Colourpop lipstick, which is an amazing shade. It's What's Your Sign. A box because it says Hollywood Cerise on it. And nothing has my name on it. Some Lime Crime lipsticks, some mini Kylies. Some Trading Mecca lipsticks. Revlon lipsticks, Wet n Wild lipsticks. And yeah, some more MAC lipsticks. So that is my lipstick collection here. Probably my favorite lipsticks I have are probably my Kiss Me lipsticks. This shade is one of my favorites. This is shade Nipples. Kind of like Nipples, but Nipples. And then there's a few others like this one here, which is Bride to Be. Is such a pretty color. I think you can still get this one. But they're just, oh, some of them is just so gorgeous. And I love the formulas of them. They're vegan, cruelty free. Like they're so cute and pretty. I really like this one too. That one's really pretty. And then my favorite is probably, well, I've got so many favorites, guys, honestly. Like, I love these. But my Sugar Pill Trinket, that is another favorite of mine. What Allegedly is one of my faves. You can see I've like worn that one to shit. But that's one of my faves. And then Gargoyle is another good one. That kind of would probably match my nails, yeah. Kind of like matches my nails. It's a pretty one. There's so many, guys, honestly. Like, if you guys want me to do a in-depth review and like show these all off, I don't mind. Here's one I got for my birthday, which I really like. I'm like, I feel like I need a separate lipstick, eyeshadow, that kind of video just to go through and swatch them all and stuff like that. Do a big collections video because I've never done one of these before, so this is, oh, this is bags and stuff that I've got from the lovely Grace Rios. So these are palettes and stuff in here that I haven't reviewed, or products that I haven't opened and I want to open like on camera, like things like that. So these are stuff, there's a whole bunch of stuff that I just haven't reviewed yet. A whole bunch of eyeliners in there, face ones, And here there's a whole bunch of like other face ones. There's more MAC lipsticks in here that I haven't reviewed. This is just all stuff that I've either got secondhand or brought in hauls, and I'm just waiting to review it before I actually use it, because I want you to get like the first time. But yeah. So yeah, that was my makeup collection. I have a lot. People love coming to my house, they can see what I have, and I love sharing it, so I'm like, I might as well do a video for you guys too. I have a shit ton of lipsticks and eyeshadow palettes. Face things, not that much. Like I've got like 3 bronzers, 2 blushes, a million highlighters, but like mascaras I don't have many, eyebrow products I don't have many. I've only got 1 gimme brow, and I finally replaced it with my old gimme brow for my birthday, and then there's a whole bunch of stuff that like I don't have much of. So people look at me and think, oh my god, she's got a shit ton of makeup, and I guess I do to an extent, but I don't have like that much, but I do. Yeah. I really don't know what to say now, but yeah, that was my makeup collection. If you guys want to see anything else or have any ideas, if you want me to like show behind the scenes of how to do a video, I don't know how to do that, maybe like record on my phone, or if you want me to show you how I edit or something, like I completely don't mind. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe with the subscribe boxes, and until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Did I say that? I don't know, but I love you. Goodbye.